Okay, so today we're doing a 2012 Mazda 3 tire rotation. You'll need 4 jack stands, and you'll need to jack up the car onto the 4 stands. First, be sure to loosen the lug nuts on every single wheel. So 5 lug nuts, 4 wheels, 20 lug nuts to loosen. The lug nuts are 21 millimeters. To chock each of your wheels so that the car doesn't rock when you jack the car up. Remove the lug nuts and wheels at each position. Be sure to notate and mark each wheel. Time to check the general condition of the pads and rotors of the brake and of the balance wheels on the tires. Make sure that you're following a dedicated rotation schedule. Move all front tires to the rear and move all rear tires diagonally to their front. So our old right tire directly back on the right side. Our left rear tire coming up front. Again, that's a crisscross for the backs going to the front and a direct aft motion going from front to back. Take the new tire, mount it up, and re-torque the lug nuts lightly, setting the final torque once the car is on the ground. Lower the car off of each jack stand and set the final torque of each of the 20 lug nuts. Spec torque is 80 foot-pounds per lug nut. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.